Tired of payment processing headaches stopping you from making money online? This video will walk you through creating a Stripe account that actually gets approved, setting you up for seamless transactions. First, head over to Stripe.com. You'll find the link in the description below for easy access. Look for the Start Now or Sign Up button, usually located prominently on the homepage. Click on it to begin the account creation process. You'll be presented with a registration form. Enter your email address, full name, and create a secure password. Make sure to use a strong password to protect your account. Once you've registered, you'll be taken to your Stripe dashboard. The next crucial step is to activate payments. Find the Activate Payments button, usually at the top of the dashboard or in a prominent sidebar. Now for the important part, you'll be asked to provide detailed information about your business. This includes your business type, legal structure, address, website URL, and a description of what you sell. Provide accurate and complete information, as Stripe uses this to verify your business. Next, you'll need to enter your bank details to receive payouts. This includes your bank account number and routing number. Double-check this information to avoid any issues with transferring your earnings. Stripe will also require identity verification. This typically involves providing your personal information, such as your date of birth, address, and potentially uploading a copy of your governmental ID. This is a standard security measure. After submitting all the required information, Stripe will review your application. This process can take a few days. You'll receive an email notification once your account is approved. If you followed these steps carefully, you're well on your way to accepting payments without issues. Good luck.